Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about Thermostat. GS for Jade Range part hashtag 4,634,700,000. The Thermostat. GS for Jade Range part hashtag 4,634,700,000 is a replacement part for Jade Range commercial cooking equipment. It is a gas thermostat that controls the temperature of the oven. The thermostat has a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and is adjustable in 25 degrees increments. It also features an adjustable high-limit safety switch that will shut off the gas supply if the temperature exceeds 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat is designed to be used with natural or propane gas and includes a mounting bracket and hardware for easy installation. This part is an OEM. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a thermostat for a Jade Range oven. It is used to regulate the temperature of the oven if your oven is not heating up properly or if it is not maintaining a consistent temperature, then this part may help to fix the issue. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the oven at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the oven door and set aside. 3. Remove the screws that secure the thermostat to the back of the oven and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat and remove it from the oven. 5. Install the new thermostat in its place, making sure to connect all of the wires in their proper locations. 6. Securely fasten it to its mounting bracket with screws and replace any insulation that was removed during installation. 7. Turn on powered. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.